Amethyst, Levonorgestrel plus Ethinyl Estradiol. One generic name, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Levonorgestrel, 90 micrograms plus ethinyl estradiol, 20 micrograms. Drug class, combined oral contraceptive, COC, estrogen, progestin hormonal contraceptive. Brand name, Amethyst. Drug forms, oral tablets. Each tablet contains Levonorgestrel 90 micrograms, ethinyl estradiol 20 milligrams. Pack contains 365 active tablets, no placebo tablets. Number 2. Definition. Amethyst is a continuous combined oral contraceptive pill containing low doses of estrogen, ethinyl estradiol, and progestin, levonorgestrel. Unlike traditional birth control pills, it is taken every day throughout the year without a hormone-free interval, helping prevent pregnancy while minimizing or eliminating menstrual periods. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Amethyst prevents pregnancy through several mechanisms. A. Suppresses ovulation, prevents release of LH and FSH from the pituitary gland, stops the ovary from releasing an egg. B. Thickens cervical mucus, makes cervical mucus thick and sticky, prevents sperm from entering the uterus. C. Alters endometrium, makes the uterine lining thin, reduces the chance of implantation. D. Slows tubal motility, alters movement of the fallopian tubes, reduces egg and sperm transport. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, rapidly absorbed after oral administration, high oral bioavailability. Distribution, widely distributed. Protein binding, levonorgestrel, 97%, ethinyl estradiol, highly protein bound. Metabolism, liver metabolism, CYP3A4 enzyme plays a major role. Half-life, levonorgestrel, 24 to 36 hours, ethinyl estradiol, 12 to 24 hours. Elimination, urine feces. Number 5, uses, prevention of pregnancy, continuous birth control, reduction or elimination of menstrual bleeding, reduction of menstrual cramps, decreases menstrual-related headaches, improves menstrual regularity, may reduce symptoms of endometriosis, off-label, may improve acne in some individuals. Number 6, indications. Amethyst is indicated for prevention of unintended pregnancy, women desiring continuous contraception, women wishing to avoid monthly menstruation, menstrual suppression, dysmenorrhea, heavy menstrual bleeding, selected patients. Number 7, contraindications. Do not use if the patient has pregnancy, history of blood clots, DVT or PE, stroke, heart attack, severe hypertension, migraine with aura, breast cancer, liver disease, liver tumors, unexplained vaginal bleeding, smoking age 35 years, allergy to any component. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Inform the healthcare provider if the patient has diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, kidney disease, gallbladder disease, depression, epilepsy, migraine headaches, obesity, family history of blood clots, recent surgery, prolonged immobilization. Use caution in smokers, women over 35 years, patients with cardiovascular risk factors. Number 9, how to use. Take 1 tablet every day. Take at the same time daily. Do not skip tablets. Swallow whole with water. Continue every day without interruption. No placebo tablets are included. Continue until pregnancy is desired or another contraceptive is chosen. Number 10, dosing information. Adults, 1 active tablet orally every day. Continuous use for 365 days. No hormone-free interval. Starting therapy, first day of menstrual cycle, Sunday start, with backup contraception for the first 7 days, immediately after another contraceptive according to healthcare provider guidance. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If 1 pill is missed, take it as soon as remembered. Take the next pill at the regular time. 2 pills may be taken in 1 day. If 2 or more pills are missed, follow the product instructions. Use backup contraception, e.g. condoms, for at least 7 days. Consider emergency contraception if unprotected intercourse occurred recently. Overdose symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, vaginal bleeding, dizziness, abdominal discomfort. Treatment, supportive care, contact a poison center or healthcare provider if significant overdose occurs. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately and seek medical attention if chest pain, shortness of breath, severe headache, vision changes, sudden weakness or numbness, leg swelling or pain, jaundice, severe abdominal pain, suspected pregnancy. Avoid smoking while taking Amethyst, especially if older than 35 years. Number 13. Side effects, common side effects. nausea, headache, breast tenderness, spotting, breakthrough bleeding, mood changes, weight changes, acne, decreased libido, bloating. Serious side effects: blood clots, stroke, heart attack, high blood pressure, liver problems, gallbladder disease, severe allergic reaction, vision changes, depression. Number 14. Vital information. Does not protect against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Daily adherence is important for effectiveness. Backup contraception may be needed after missed pills. Smoking greatly increases cardiovascular risks. Irregular bleeding is common during the first few months. Pregnancy should be ruled out before starting if indicated. Number 15. Other drugs will affect Amethyst. Drug interactions may reduce contraceptive effectiveness or increase adverse effects. Examples include rifampin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, topiramate, oxcarbazepine, St. John's wort, certain HIV medications, certain hepatitis C medications, some antifungal medications. Always inform healthcare providers of all prescription drugs, OTC medicines, vitamins, and herbal products. Number 16. Drug comparison. Amethyst versus traditional 28-day combined oral contraceptives. Amethyst, continuous daily hormones, no placebo pills, menstrual periods are usually absent or greatly reduced. 1 pack for year-round continuous use. Traditional combined oral contraceptives. 21 active pills plus 7 placebo pills or 24/4 regimen. Monthly withdrawal bleeding, scheduled hormone-free interval, monthly packs. Number 17. Patient teaching. Take the pill at the same time every day. Do not skip doses. Use a backup contraceptive if pills are missed as directed. Expect spotting or irregular bleeding during the first few months. Do not smoke while taking this medication, especially if over 35 years old. Report symptoms of blood clots immediately: leg pain, chest pain, sudden shortness of breath. Inform healthcare providers before surgery or prolonged bed rest. Keep tablets in their original container at room temperature. Attend regular medical follow-up, including blood pressure checks. Remember that Amethyst prevents pregnancy, but does not protect against HIV or other sexually transmitted infections. Use condoms if STI protection is needed. Thank you. Have a nice day.